Okay, so we are going to be making our coleslaw for tomorrow night's meal. Now remember, we already prepped our carrots and have them done. So let's toss them in there in our bowl. Coleslaw is super easy and it is super duper one of the yummiest things that goes with pulled pork. I'm also loving it on fish tacos. A little different recipe for that. That one has like more lime. But yeah, cabbage can definitely be your friend. Not if you have irritable bowel syndrome, but if you don't, then definitely it's your friend. So we're going to go ahead and get started with this. The wrapper goes in the trash, but I bet you know where this little bit I cut off is going to go, right? These outside pieces, they're going in the bowl. Look how full our bowl's getting. We're going to have some good stock later this week. I guess actually it's going to be next week. We're popping this in the freezer. So I'm going to pull off all of those till we get to our beautiful inner head. Now I'm going to be using this cabbage for more than one meal. So I'm going to, go ahead and slice it up, chop it up the way I want it to be, and then I'm going to save this in my fridge. So first I'm just going to take off the bit that I'm going to use, and then we'll chop that up. You want probably 5 or 6 cups, I would say, and about, I don't know, a cup or cup and a half of the carrots. It's really up to you, what kind of combination that you like. You don't have to stick to recipes exactly as they're written on things like that. Temperatures and times, yeah. But as far as, hey, if you say, I don't like carrots, I don't want it in my coleslaw, then for Pete's sake, don't put it in there. Try something different, You could always put some beets or some onions or any number of different things. Now, you could use a food processor to do this if you wanted to, or if you had a mandolin. I do have that equipment, but I wanted to be able to do it this way so that people who don't have a bunch of fancy equipment can see that they can still do it. You don't need to have fancy things to eat fancy. Okay, let's start putting some of these over here. Okay, so we are going to make our dressing for our coleslaw. I'm going to add a little bit of red onion to it first. Now, in this bowl, I'm going to add some sugar. And I'm going to add about an equal amount of apple cider vinegar. This is Bragg's. Ooh, it's already making me water up. I'm also going to add, this is new, so it hasn't been opened yet. Ugh, old lady can't open things. It's easy pull. Lift and peel. I'm trying. There we go. I'm also going to add about half a cup of mayo. This is light mayo because we're going to keep it light. And I'm also going to add a little bit of Golden's because why not? It's delicious. Here we go. See how nice and smooth that's coming out? Oh yeah, baby. That's the stuff right there. Woo, it's delicious. Okay, so we're going to just pour this on. Scrape this bowl out so we don't miss any of it because it is delicious. We're going to stir this through. Now remember, this is for tomorrow night. So I'm already like almost done with tomorrow night's dinner. I mean, we're going to do crock pot tomorrow and this coleslaw. And giving it the opportunity to sit overnight is really going to help it to taste so much better tomorrow. So, done. Fiend.